morning everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. We're down at the allotment again, just a quick passing visit, just mainly checking everything and just seeing what else is left to do. All it is mostly just the clearing up, which I'm going to start from next week. Just check my onions and my garlics in that top bed. I see something is still wanting to do digging. I don't know what it's looking for. Don't know if it's mice or voles or whatever, but even along the side of the beds I'm seeing them digging. This bed I've got my some onions in this bed as well, and every time you come down you see one what's pulled out, although it's sprouted. These are red onions, they're sprouted, and you can see, I don't know if something's chewing on them or what, until they realise that they don't taste very nice. Stick that back in. Don't know if it'll grow. And up this end I've got the snowball ones. I can just see the odd one or two coming out, and then the other half of the bed isn't done. Right, let's have a look at this. I've got my spinach. What I'm going to do is get all the good leaves off, and then I can cook that later on. You wouldn't think that you'll be harvesting this time of the year, but there's always things around, so I'm going to do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I managed to get a little bunch of spinach and some chard, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the knife and take these Romanescos before they start to perish. And because I think the longer I leave them is the more they're going to be exposed to pigeons and all that. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm in my polytunnel now. I just picked some of my Romanescos. I'm just getting some little blood fish and bone, just sprinkling it on my carrots. You know, you have to give your plants food. I've got the knife in my hand, and then I just water that in. Just good of, because we're not back up here until maybe Friday or Monday. I'll see how the weekend goes. That blood fish and bone does half reek. I think it's because it's one from a while ago, so just put this back, then put this back and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm just checking my ginger, and as you can see, still green. This is the bit what I planted last year, and then it's got the little sprouts. So, and then I can see it's really moist in here, so just having a look if there's any ginger down there. I'll see little pieces. There's a piece there, but I'm just leaving it in there. So what I'm going to do, what everybody suggested, I can see ginger here. I can see ginger here. There's a big piece of ginger there. I was getting really fat there. I can feel another. So that's the ginger there. But, was grown pretty well in there, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in and just leave it here. Leave it in here and then let it overwinter. Maybe cut off the tops and that, but you can see it's giving off a nice piece of root of ginger. I'll put that in my, I'll take this bit home. I don't know if there's any down this side. Yeah, you can hear its seed there just growing individually, so I can see a big bit down here too. Another bit there. I think what it does, it needed to just stay and overwinter. Get them in a bigger bucket for next year. I'll just dig that down, put them back down deep, and just leave that. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so I've got my turmeric here. I think I put about 5 little pieces in there, and this is the results. Someone said to me, just check it, and if you need to take any, take it on, and then overwinter it. So I'm just checking, and I think there is going to be something down there. I didn't want to really empty out the whole bucket, but I think that's what I might end up having to do. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so managed to get them out the bucket, so managed to get a few pieces off, and then I'll just put in these roots back in. Really, what everyone was saying is just to check and take off the ones and then let them overwinter. So you can just take them out, then put them back in. These are the bigger ones. You can see turmeric there. That's just one root. You can see it was sending off pieces. So if you want, you can just leave that as it is, and that would overwinter. Because someone did say to me once that if you're doing it, it's like a 2-year project on them. They do take about 2 years. Just put them in something bigger, which is what I should have done. But you can see I've still got some here. Still got some pieces. And then this is like gotta put that back in. You see, you got your turmeric growing out the side. So was doing okay. Was doing okay in there, but see some bigger pieces down here. Some big pieces there, big one there. And then I've got this big root here. I suppose there's a lot in here. You can see that's how your turmeric grows. So if you're thinking you can't grow turmeric over here, I think it's going to grow better in a polytunnel than outside. So what I need to do now is get this back in, and then just let it overwinter. Then what I'll do when it overwinters, take it out of and put it in something bigger. I've got some big pots, so I'm going to put it in one about twice this size. So that's your turmeric. So I'm going to do this. If you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So let's put that back in for now. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so I've just given all this turmeric and garlic a quick rinse off. I'm just having a look inside, so that's what it's like inside. My cameraman coming more. So you can dehydrate these and powder them, or you can grate them and make drinks or whatever you want to do with them. So that's some of them. There's still a lot more turmeric in there, but I didn't take all of it because I didn't want to overwinter some and then have it for next year. I'm just checking my garlics again. next time I come, I just take out these weeds. You always get weeds coming up through everything, so you just take those out, and then they're all ready for overwintering. In here, I've still got beetroots in here, but I think these are ain't gonna do no good. Got all my buckets and all that ready for my potatoes. I want to give those an early start, so I started having a look, but I haven't seen the ones what I want yet, which is the Sapromera and Acoustic. The pink fir apples I planted last year, I'm not growing those again. I didn't really like them. So it's just basically now it's just getting everything together, getting everything tidied up, and once you've done that, now you're ready to go for the season. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.